Stay with me until the end because today, I am showing you the secret version of the most searched recipe of the month. A version that few people know about, and that turns a simple dish into something incredible. And trust me, once you try it, everyone will ask you how you made it. This recipe has become a huge trend on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. Food bloggers, chefs, cooking enthusiasts are all making it, and it's everywhere. Why? It's simple, quick, cheap, and super Instagrammable. To make this amazing dish, you'll only need a few ingredients. Here they are: 200 grams of short pasta, 1 large zucchini, or 2 small ones, 1 clove of garlic, 80 grams of Parmesan cheese, extra virgin olive oil, salt and pepper, and a creamy touch that I'll reveal at the end. Nothing complicated, and that's why it's become the most searched recipe of the month. In a pan, heat a drizzle of oil and lightly brown the garlic clove. This will be the basic aroma of the dish. Slice the zucchini into thin rounds. The thinner they are, the creamier the final sauce will be. Cook the pasta 1 minute less than the time indicated. Perfection comes later when we finish it in the pan. And here we are at the crucial step. Pour the pasta directly into the pan with the zucchini. Add a ladle of cooking water and the Parmesan. This is where the recipe goes viral. A natural creaminess, without cream and without butter. And now, the variation that few reveal. The touch that takes this recipe from simple to memorable. Add a teaspoon of basil pesto or a teaspoon of salted pistachio cream. I know, it seems like a small detail, but it changes everything. The flavor becomes richer, rounder, more surprising. And when I bring it to the table, they always ask me what my secret is. Here it is, the most searched recipe of the month, in its original version and in its secret version. Simple, quick, and irresistible. Try making it and let me know in the comments which version you chose. Basil or pistachio? Leave a like if you love discovering viral recipes. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell to not miss the next videos from AMF channel. See you at the next delight.